Washington, D.C., is a vibrant and bustling city, offering numerous benefits to businesses, including access to a thriving economy, cultural landmarks, and a diverse community. However, along with these advantages comes the challenge of noise pollution. From the constant traffic on busy streets to construction projects and the general hustle and bustle of urban life, noise can be a significant concern for businesses in the city. Commercial window replacement is an effective solution to mitigate noise pollution and create a more comfortable, productive environment for both employees and clients. Whether you're in a downtown office, a retail storefront, or an industrial space, upgrading your windows can significantly reduce external noise. Here's how commercial window replacement in Washington, D.C. can help businesses tackle noise issues. Double and triple pane windows for better insulation. One of the most common methods for reducing external noise is by replacing old windows with double or triple pane windows. These windows are specifically designed to provide better sound insulation, which helps block out unwanted noise from the street, nearby construction, or other external sources. Double pane windows consist of two layers of glass with a gap between them, often filled with an insulating gas like argon. This design helps reduce the transmission of sound waves, preventing noise from entering your commercial space. Triple pane windows take this a step further by adding a third layer of glass, further enhancing soundproofing. With 3 panes of glass, these windows provide even greater noise reduction, creating a quieter, more peaceful interior environment. Both double and triple pane windows are highly effective in blocking high-frequency sounds, like traffic, construction noises, and loud conversations, making them an ideal solution for businesses located in high-traffic areas. Laminated glass for superior soundproofing. Another excellent option for noise reduction in commercial window replacement is laminated glass. Unlike standard double or triple pane windows, laminated glass is made by sandwiching a layer of plastic between 2 panes of glass. This layer of plastic acts as a barrier to sound, absorbing and dampening vibrations that can travel through traditional glass. Laminated glass is particularly effective at blocking low-frequency noise, such as traffic or train sounds, that often penetrate standard windows. The plastic layer in laminated glass helps to keep the outside noise from entering the building, making it a popular choice for businesses located near busy roads or transportation hubs. This type of glass is often used in high-end office buildings, retail stores, and other commercial properties that require a high level of noise control. If noise is a significant concern for your business, laminated glass is an excellent investment for long-term soundproofing. Enhanced comfort and productivity for employees. Excessive noise in the workplace can negatively affect employee well-being and productivity. Studies have shown that high levels of noise can lead to stress, fatigue, and decreased concentration among workers. Replacing old windows with noise-reducing windows creates a more comfortable work environment by minimizing distractions caused by external noise. Improved focus. By reducing noise, employees can focus better on their tasks without the constant disruption of street sounds or loud construction. This is especially important in office spaces, meeting rooms, or conference areas, where focus and communication are essential. Increased comfort. Noise can cause discomfort and irritation, making it harder for employees to remain engaged throughout the workday. Replacing your windows with soundproof alternatives can help maintain a peaceful atmosphere, improving overall comfort. A quieter environment also contributes to better employee morale, job satisfaction, and retention, making commercial window replacement a valuable investment in your business's success. Better client experience. For businesses that interact with clients, the quality of the in-office experience is essential. A noisy, uncomfortable environment can leave a negative impression on visitors. Whether you're hosting meetings, welcoming customers, or providing services, a quiet and calm atmosphere makes a huge difference in how clients perceive your business. Improved customer perception. Customers and clients are more likely to return to a business that provides a peaceful, comfortable setting. A noise-free environment allows for better communication, making it easier to conduct meetings, consultations, or service-based interactions without interruptions. Professional ambiance. Quiet spaces reflect professionalism and attention to detail, showing that your business cares about the experience you provide. Replacing old windows with soundproof windows demonstrates your commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. If your business relies on client meetings or customer interaction, reducing noise can help improve the overall experience, encouraging repeat business and positive reviews. Increased property value. Investing in commercial window replacement for noise reduction can also increase the value of your property. Noise control is often a priority for potential tenants or buyers, especially in commercial spaces located in noisy areas. Buildings with high-quality windows that provide better sound insulation are more attractive to renters and buyers who value a quiet, comfortable space for work or leisure. Energy efficiency. Many modern windows that provide noise reduction also come with energy-efficient features, such as low E-glass coatings and insulated frames, which improve overall building performance. This makes your property more attractive to tenants looking for cost-effective, sustainable spaces. By upgrading your windows, you're investing in both property value and long-term rental or sale potential, making your commercial space a more appealing and marketable asset. Cost-effective solution. While commercial window replacement might seem like a significant upfront cost, the long-term benefits often outweigh the initial investment. The noise reduction provided by new windows can save your business money by reducing the need for soundproofing treatments inside the building. Additionally, energy-efficient windows can reduce heating and cooling costs, providing ongoing savings. By investing in noise-reducing windows, your business will benefit from a quieter, more comfortable environment, improved employee productivity, better client experiences, and increased property value, all while saving money on energy costs. Conclusion. Commercial window replacement in Washington, D.C. is an effective way to reduce noise pollution and create a more comfortable, productive environment for your business. Whether you're looking to improve employee productivity, enhance the client experience, or simply create a quieter space, upgrading to energy-efficient, soundproof windows provides a solution that pays dividends for years to come. By investing in new windows, You're not only improving your business's atmosphere but also increasing the long-term value of your property. Noise reduction is just one of the many benefits of commercial window replacement, making it a smart and valuable investment for your Washington, D.C. business.